254 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel and in Gaza. Hello, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday, June the 17th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper, daily newspaper, an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. First one is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number 8733. And before I start, I always counter print the digits 26. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see, so let's get started. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left, 7 should be there. Then, let me see. 9, 3, 5, 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Shoot me down. 4, 4. 1 in this row, last row. 1 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the 3rd column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the 1st column, 1 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column. Only place left, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the 1st row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. 2 in this 3rd column. 2 in the 2nd column, so the 1st column. The only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the 2nd row, no 2 there. So we have a 2 in the 2nd row, yes, no 2 there. The only place left, 2 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the 2nd row, so in the 3rd row, the only place left, 4, it should be there. Yeah. 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the 2nd column, so the 3rd column, the only place left, 4, it should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, then 4. I need a 4 here. Cannot continue with a 4 now, need to wait. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level the 6 should be there. 9, 9, need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and a 9. We have 5 and a 9 in this middle column, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Here also 2 missing numbers in the middle row, the 9 and the 5. Okay. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and the 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 9 and the 5. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Alright. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Then need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Come on. Need a 7 there. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left of 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, okay. Then, let me see. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and 6. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 6 goes at there. 1 box left now in this column for number, I believe 9. Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only place left on the 9 should be there. 9 here. 9, okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 5 here. Okay. 5 and 7 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 5 should be there. 6 and a 7, we have 7 now in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. 5 in, oh wait, I need a 5 here, and I need a 5 there. Okay, 9 and 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye. For now.